Hello everybody and welcome back. In this lecture, we will going to discuss about the introduction part. So we will be discussing what is hybrid vehicle in short. So hybrid vehicle has two power sources, engine and motor. So in this image as you can see that we have an engine here, and with that we also have a motor arrangement here. With that here is our battery. So this is hybrid vehicle. We have combination of both IC engine and a motor. So it takes advantage of each power source. Means while running, we need low power. So we will be using motor to generate torque. And while acceleration, we need more power to the wheels. So we will be going with a combination of engine, IC engine and motor. So with the help of both, we will be tuning the engine in the way so it can fulfill our desired needs, like while acceleration, while fuel economy, and while uh, stopping. So this will help us a lot in our fuel economy. The power sources compensates for each other shortcomings. Means when we need more power, so IC engine will help us to generate more power. But when we need more torque or more fuel economy, the motor will help us to achieve that goal. So in hybrid vehicles, we do not require external charging. So in common, if we can say that we don't require external charging, but there are multiple hybrid vehicles which have plug-in charging, which we will discuss later in this course. We don't need any special infrastructure to charge our vehicle because our batteries are charged via regenerative braking. So we don't need any external port or any external charging stations to charge our electric vehicles. The battery is charged by regenerative braking system, which we will discuss in this course. So stay tuned. Next, need of hybrid technology. So why do we need this hybrid technology? As you know, if you're from mechanical engineering or automobile engineer, that hybrid or EV vehicles are in a boom. Means every company is trying their level best to roll their EV vehicles in the market to capture the EV vehicle market. If you go with Suzuki, your Toyota, and your Honda, they all are working on EV or your hybrid technology from the past 5 years. So, what are the need for hybrid technologies? The first thing is growth of automation marketing. So, automobiles companies are growing year by year. They are selling more cars year. There is continuous growth of global automation market. Next is increased production in CO2. So with more IC engines, there are more CO2s. So to reduce this, we need hybrid technology. Next, increased need for energy in the form of fossil fuels. That is true because nowadays most cars are running on fuels, gasolines, diesel and petrol. So we are burning fossil fuels to generate those energies, those fuels. So in order to compensate with these threes, we need a good fuel economic car and with low carbon emissions. And then this give rise to eco car, which is your hybrid or electric vehicles. With that, government also gives you many compensations on taxes uh, if you go with electric or EV vehicles. So this is how there is a need for EV vehicles, and this is very common. We should always know that because this is very basic that why we need EV vehicles or electric vehicles because of the growth in market and automation, increased production in CO2, and increased need for energy in form of fossil fuels. So compensate to surmount these conditions, we need a good low carbon emission and good fuel economic car, which is your electric and hybrid vehicles. So this is all about in this lecture. So we discussed about the intro part, what is hybrid vehicles and why we need hybrid vehicles. In next lecture, we will see the difference between electric versus petrol engine. So thank you.